Hi everyone, I've finished building the backpack for 00 Gundam, as you can see here. It's got the twin drives. And unfortunately I don't have any extra LED units to make the GN drives glow. But they just pop in and out like that. And there's also these for GN condensers that you can put on over like this. Let's put the GN drive back in. And see the boosters right here, they move up and down like that, which I thought was pretty neat. And this backpack is the last part I need to put 00 Gundam together, so let's go ahead and do that. So we've got the chest and the head. Put on the shoulder. And put the arm in. Get the other shoulder. And put the waist in. That. Now for the legs. Whoops. Let's put that back in. Oops. Now let's put the backpack on. So they go inside these holes here. Just push it in. And now we've got 00 Gundam. So next I'll be building the weapons. And hope you're looking forward to it.